Hi there, welcome to the channel where we make technology simple and accessible. Today we're diving into Zoom, one of the most popular platforms for online meetings. Whether you're attending your first virtual meeting or looking to enhance your experience, this guide is for you. To get started, go ahead and open Zoom on your browser. So in here, go ahead and sign into your account. If you already have an account, you can also sign up for an account for free. After signing in, you'll get redirected into your homepage. So as you can see in here, you can actually find your information. You can also find the left sidebar where you can manage a few things for your account. So to join a meeting, simply hit on that join button beside the schedule button. So you get redirected into this section. Now take note that you'll need to download Zoom for your device. If you're using an Android device, you'll need to download it from Google Play. And if you're using a PC or desktop, you'll need to download the Zoom app from the website. You can also host a Zoom meeting by hitting on that button. In here, you also need to download Zoom for your device as well. So you can also schedule meetings on Zoom and host meetings with only share screens. And that's it. You're now ready to use Zoom like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.